Hi gym owners! We're now launching the first ever gym management software here in the Philippines. Hindi na ito basta-basta software. It's time for you to say goodbye to your logbook or manual reporting. Ito ay merong mga door access. Pwede kang mag 24/7 without your stuff. So right now we have here the lanyard with key fob. So this one is so good. Kasi sobrang premium ng quality ng lanyard natin. And this is one of the best key fob that you can use to our software for you to monitor your members who are the active and inactive members. We also have feature that you can do installment payment without credit card. And you can also use our dashboard with download reports. Pwede kang gumamit ng Excel format. And we also have different features that will help your gym to boost or to increase more sales. So right now, we have a lot of orders from the Body Project Gym. So, sobrang dami nito. We are inviting you sa Imus Cavite, yung grand opening nila, this coming end of June. So, if you want to order or to sign up for free demo, just contact us, message us in the comment section below. See you!